When setting up a reporting tool, there are a number of key challenges. First of all is the making certain levels of data and reports available to the correct people so that they have enough insights to be able to drive through improvements. And second to that is around security and making too much information available. So when we set out with a client, our goal is to make sure that whilst we create the reports that are needed, they are structured in a way that makes them informative, but also is conscious of making detail available that shouldn't. So a good example of this will be if you wanted a report that outlined the number of credit notes that you've had within a business within the last month. That number might be useful in total, but without the detail of actually understanding which clients have received those credit notes, that is not actionable information for you to then be able to investigate why they occurred on specific clients or if it's a recurring issue. So having that level of drill down is important, but equally, where you're presenting full company, you don't want full company P&Ls available to certain members of staff that may include payroll numbers or things like this. So whenever we are building reports, they are allocated into specific user groups, and then we can guarantee that when we're building those and when they are appraised, that we add certain people to a certain user type, and then reports are allocated to that user type. Only after that has been reviewed and appraised by the client to ensure that they are completely comfortable with releasing that report to that group of people or user type. And typically you would have higher levels of report and less detail for business owners, making sure that they obviously have full overview of how and where the company is performing well or not so well, and that they would have the more secure information available to them. And it's incredibly important if you do choose to implement a reporting analytics package, that you have someone who is comfortable and aware of the financial impact of releasing certain elements of data.